Hi guys, welcome to day 20 of math. Make sure you have your chart that looks like this, and you can follow along. We're going to do our warm-up first. So here we go. Let's count by tens. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, let's do it again. Here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay, let's count by fives when we go back and forth from the left to the right. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Let's do it again. Here we go. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Okay, go ahead and put your chart away. I'm putting mine away right now. Okie dokie. So our target for today is I can add and subtract numbers in a word problem up to 5. So I'm going to underline our word subtract for the next couple of days. We're only thinking about subtraction problems. For today's lesson, we are only going over how we solve our subtraction problems, okay? All right, so let me make sure all my colors were excellent. My goodness gracious. Okay. Okie dokie, sorry guys, and how my colors. All right, so our story problems with subtraction. That means we're taking away. We are subtracting, okay? We're not adding, we're subtracting. We are subtracting, taking away, okay? So here's how we solve our subtraction problems. So I'm going to read our story, and then we're going to go over how we're going to solve it, okay? So here we go. I had 5 apples. I ate 2. How many do I have left? Okay, so now I'm going to go over our steps. Number 1, we always do what first? You remember, we always circle the number. So let's circle all of the numbers that we see. So I see a 5 and a 2. Okay. Number 2, we're going to underline the word left. Left. Okay, that means that we need to figure out how many are left over, okay? So, the next thing we're going to do is make our picture. With subtraction, the first number we see is how many we're going to draw. So this says I had 5 apples, so I'm going to draw how many apples? 5. In subtraction problems, the first number that we see that we draw. So I'm going to draw my 5 apples as best I can. This is kind of like a pink color. That's how I draw my apples. Oops, that's a funky looking apple. All right. Then I'm going to draw my stems. It's that funky apple. All right. All right, here we go. So I have 5 apples. I ate 2. So that means I took away 2, right? So I'm going to cross off how many apples? 2 apples. 1, 2. How many are left? Let's count. Ready? 1, 2, 3. So there are 3 left. Now it's time to write so we circled numbers, underlined left, made a picture. Now it's time to write our sentence right here. We're going to write our number sentence. We always start with the first number that we saw, okay? We always start in a subtraction problem. We start with the first number that we saw. So 5. Take away how many? Can't really see that very well. 2 equals how many? 3. So so we start with our numbers. We underlined the word left. We made a picture. We wrote our number sentence. And now it's time to write our answer. Do we have 3 pancakes? No, we have 3 apples. 3 apples. The next thing that we can do is we can show on the number line. So here's my number line. How many apples did I start with? Let me use a darker color so we can see a little bit better. How many apples did I start with? How many? 5. So I'm going to start the number 5. When I start on my number line, I'm going to do bunny hops backwards. So how many backwards do I need to go? 2. 1, 2. I landed on the number 3. I know you can't see that very well. Okie dokie. All right, go ahead and work in your packets. Tomorrow we'll be working on our anchor chart, and we'll have some problems that we will solve together. Okay, so keep working in your packets, and I will see you guys for reading.